Hello everybody, Michael and Timber. She's just chilling out today. I've got a big, I think it's 2015, 2016 2500 HD Chevy pickup. And thought I'd take this opportunity to try out a new product because we have some tar splashed up on the side of this. Pretty good here. So this is Geon. Removes tar and organic sediments effectively and safely. Does not affect quartz coatings. Perfect product for a major clean between full details. Applied before QM iron. Ensures full surface decontamination. Wash the car. Spray on. Let sit for 3 to 5 minutes. So let's check this out and let's see what we got here, because I am always curious about tar removers because I haven't had the best of luck with them. So I'm going to put this on a mister. Just going to go down the line here. It's not totally washed yet. I basically been rinsing it and cleaning the undercarriage here. It's this vehicle is going to get sold, so I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to go around the truck, spray any other spots, and we'll come back and we'll see how well this worked out. All right, people, thanks for watching all my videos. I'm getting some good steady subscribers. I really appreciate all the support, and Timber's happy, of course. I am utterly ecstatic. Now check this out. Look at all that tar. So I just thought I'd go through and just kind of get the little spots and stuff here, get ready for my next wash. So I just hit a couple things, and this is just, I mean, it hasn't even been 3 minutes and this is just coming off like butter. I mean, this is by far, look at this, the best tar remover I have ever used. I mean, usually this has been on here, you know, this is, you can feel it because it's big chunks of tar, and it literally is just wiping it off. I am very happy that I was at my Superior Image and buying some products to shoot some videos with, and thought I'd give out Q2M tar. Removes tar and organic sediments effectively and safely. Now, I used a little bit, but I sprayed pretty heavily around the entire truck because it had sprays of tar everywhere. But I'm telling you folks, comes in 8,500, 1,000, and 400 milliliters. I'm going to be stocking up on this bad boy. That is an amazing tar product. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. I got a lot more product reviews coming, how-tos. Remember, shoot me an email at detailingandtempe@gmail.com if you have any questions about detailing. I'm going to be doing some more on ceramic coatings, sealants, just kind of what works best for me in Arizona under these hot conditions, and what I recommend for my personal car and your car as well, to help protect it and keep that ride nice and shiny. I'm going to continue to wash this car. I went over with a Blue Thunder, which is an off-road heavy kind of mudding soap. Then I'm going to remove all the tar. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to do another wash on it, do a nice hand wash, and then put my sealant on and start on the inside on this one. I do have the Facebook page, Attention to Detail in Tempe as well, so I post some before and after videos, some pictures after I do detail. Feel free to subscribe to that, and I'll accept it. And you guys have a great day. Everybody stay safe, keep your ride nice and shiny, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I appreciate all the support, everybody, and Timber does too. Take care. Just real quickly, I want to show you all the tar I got off. Pretty amazing product. So, more reviews to come. Take care.